There you go. It's just hot. It's, but I'm suggesting. Alright, what's up you guys? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to another episode. Today we are making the steam breast. Chicken breast in a steam. Steam means you're gonna be using a steam pot. Real deal. It's a real deal. Steam pot. It has water in there. I have added 1 liter of distilled water. I don't want to add just the tap water. The tap water usually has chlorine. So the steam is going to generate and infuse our chicken. I don't want it to be flavoring the chlorine. We don't want that. So use distilled water for this recipe. In the water, we're going to put the dry ingredients to get the flavor. So for the first thing, I'm taking some cinnamon, roughly, just add at least 2 big sticks in the water. Add at least 1 whole tablespoon of cloves in the water. Take half of the lemon, chop it, and just make thin slices of the lemon. Why we are adding this? So as I told you, it's gonna infuse our chicken with the flavors. So these are all the ingredients we need to add in our water. You're gonna put it on a high flame, let it boil. In the meantime, this is the chicken breast. I use usually whole chicken with the bone. I don't know, for some reason I believe chicken with the bone tastes much better than the regular one. If you guys go to market and if you get the boneless one, it's all fine. They're both gonna do the same work. Alright, the secret ingredient for this recipe, I'm gonna tell you that. This is pomegranate powder. It's a little bit soury, but it's a perfect flavor for this recipe. This is ginger powder. So for the whole breast, we will take some pomegranate powder. I'm using at least 1 whole tablespoon of pomegranate powder. So easy. We'll take some salt, pepper, 1 whole tablespoon for it, okay? It's very easy and delicious, I can tell you that. Once you do it, just massage it. We're not using any other ingredients on it. This is how it's supposed to be. Just directly massage the ingredients, everything right on top, right on it. Yeah, I got the comment the other day, you use the word top a lot on the video. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna watch myself if I'm not using top. So we are not topping it off. We are just rubbing it on the top. Whole chicken breast with the bone, even it has the neck. This is actually a very healthy recipe. The pomegranate powder, I have tried this many times on our steamed meat. It tastes yummy. It tastes delicious. It gives extra flavor to the chicken or meat, whatever you're making. But I'm suggesting you, if you're really steaming your chicken, use this thing. Let it settle at least for 5 minutes. Until then, our water will be boiling. If you guys come, take a look inside. It's steaming, but I need water to be boiling. So once it gets boiling, I'll tell you what to do next. You guys see our water is boiling with the cloves, the cinnamon, and the lemon, and it's aromatic. This is the steamer. So we will pick up our chicken. We haven't added any oil, any garlics, and nothing. So we will just put the chicken face down, just like that. For now, this is a whole chicken breast. Just make sure it's landing perfectly. If you guys see, it's all landed right here. We will put this right on top of it, okay? So our chicken has started to get the steam. As soon as you put this thing right on top, put the lid and let it cook at least for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, we will flip the sides. Normally it takes 30 to 40 minutes because it's a steamer and it's a healthy recipe, I can tell you that. So see you after 15 minutes. It's been 17 minutes. We are making world's best steam roast chicken breast, okay? This is our steamer. The chicken has been there. It's been more than 15 minutes. It has been steaming. Now we're gonna just flip the chicken. It's all okay if we lose all the seasoning from top, but it's all gonna infuse our chicken breast from the inside. These all ingredients, even in the water, even on top of it. If you guys see, it's even telling, yeah, in 15-16 minutes. This is how it looks. How about that now? I'll cover it with the lid again one more time and I'll let it cook. It's on the high flame actually. I'll let it cook at least for 20 more minutes, and after 20 more minutes we will be surprised how it's gonna look. So I'll see you after 20 minutes. Well guys, it's been 35 minutes all together and I'm 100% sure our steam roast chicken is ready. Let me take out the hole and let me just put it here. You guys can tell, right? If you see here, the bone, it got separated. By the touch, it's like it's fully done. There's no oils, there's nothing unhealthy about this whole chicken breast. Let's dish it out here. So I don't want to break it, but this is how it is. Let's land this right here. And oh, the smells are yummy for this whole chicken breast. Okay, so one goes here. Let me put them like side by side. This is a whole chicken breast. Oh yeah, delicious. You guys see, I still have some water with some lemon. Chop some lemon, and this is what it is, guys. This is what you have to make. In a couple of minutes, I'm gonna show you the final product. Let it cool down, let it settle down. I don't want to burn my mouth, so just take a look how we have done this work. So the moment of truth right here. Here you go. You cut it like this. It's fully cooked, fully done. And here's the first bite. It has the aroma of cloves, cinnamon. It has the aroma of lemon. It has the flavor of this pomegranate powder. Yeah, the ginger powder, salt, all of it is here. There's no oils, there's nothing unhealthy about this recipe. And it's fully cooked in 35 minutes, whole chicken breast. If you're on a diet, if you want to eat this, it's all healthy. Right here. So the fancy way is done. Let's use our bare hands and to show you guys 35 minutes. This is the deepest, biggest piece. It's still hot. Here you go. It's all cooked, even from the inside. It's just hot. Wow, super deliciously done, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This was a short and easy and delicious recipe vlog for you guys. Do make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you the day after tomorrow with another great and best recipe you can make at home. Perfect steamed chicken breast roast is right here, guys. Take a look here. 35 minutes. It's super, it's not like dry, it's like juicy. You guys can tell it's just hot, so it's juicy. The best way to eat chicken breast, whole chicken breast, infused with all the flavors on the inside is this recipe. You even get the flavor in here because it's cooked on those flavors. The steam had the flavor. So yeah, I can tell you that it's even better than boiling the chicken breast. The steam roast got it all the flavors, everything. You need to try this.